Hey Aries, welcome to your WLC Weekly Love Connections reading. This will be for those of you who are wanting to get insights with regards to your love connections. To all my subscribers, thank you for your continued support. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Alright, Aries in love. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter in love. Eight of Wands, the Sun, Three of Swords, Eight of Swords, Ten of Swords, Seven of Cups, Nine of Cups, Ten of Coins, Two of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. Six of Coins. Oh wow. And the Nine of Coins. Let me see. Five of Cups and the Knight of Wands. What is this? Nine of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Wands. At the bottom of the deck, we have Seven of Wands. Okay, Aries, there are two stories and two scenarios that I'm getting from this. The first one is, may not be applicable for everybody, but I gotta say it. It feels like this is a third party situation. It's either you are the third party or the other person. It's very straightforward. It feels like you have gotten to know someone and possibly in a relationship with them, or when you met this person, you had this good vibes towards one another, and perhaps things just progressed quickly. There was a lot of passion there, but it feels like later on in the process, you found out that this person could have been committed, and possibly when you met them, they were, I don't know, on a break or possibly single. For some of you, this could also be a rebound kind of situation. But I see here that when you met this person, they were supposedly single, and then as time goes on, things turn out that this person is actually married, and they have gotten back to that person that they initially were committed to. There was a lot of fights perhaps, and but for you, the moment you found out that this person is actually committed, that sort of your energy towards them, it's not flowing anymore. It feels like you have lost faith, you have lost hope, that things can still be addressed, or you can even talk to one another. I feel like on your side, the moment you got to know the reality of it, that's it, you're just hurting. It feels like somebody here is giving to at least two people at the same time. But during the time when they met you, they were single, possibly separated. And this person is actually regretting the fact that they progressed into some sort of romantic relationship with you. It's not that they don't love you, they actually have feelings for you, but then the moment you found out, it feels like it's the Ten of Swords. You know, it's done, it's hurtful. It's like they have betrayed you. This person is thinking that if only they have built some sort of friendship with you rather than a romantic one, they could still have you during this time. You know what I mean? So it's more like that. Yeah, this person is disappointed in themselves for rushing into being in a romantic relationship rather than friendship, because now when you found out, no relationship anymore. Yeah, where in fact if you were friends, even if they have gotten back together with an ex or with their wives, husbands or spouse, then you know you can still be friends, the connection would still be there. So that's the first storyline that I get here. And I feel that on your case, you are, in as much as you still are very attracted to them, or physically attracted, there is still that passion there. I feel that you are putting up boundaries here, which I feel it's a good thing. You're cutting your losses. Yeah, cutting your losses. Now if that is not the case, if you very well know that there's only two of you in this situation, if there's only two of you in this situation, I feel like there was some sort of betrayal, either on your side or their side. Yeah, somebody here did something, did actually give or distributed their energy towards somebody else, and it could be another relationship, or it could be that they have focused more on their family, on their responsibilities, and you were not prioritized. So that sort of thing. And you're kind of hopeful that things can turn around, especially for those of you who are married to this person. Yeah, you feel like you're not prioritized. There's always that higher priority. It could be their job too. The way I see it here is that you may be losing. I'm sorry for the noise. This is New York. All right. So the way I see it here is that you may be losing some, that strong emotional bond with them, because you're always disappointed, yeah, for not being prioritized, which is normal. So especially if you're together, right? So in that case, I feel like you're about to, it's not really surrendering, but you've stopped fighting, yeah, for your place or your space in this person's life. You don't even fight for it. You don't even want to talk about it anymore, because you have lost hope, yeah, that things could still be better. The way I see it here is that this person is actually committed to you, and committed in providing a good house, a good place, a good space for both of you to thrive. Yeah, and you're not talking here. Yeah, you're not communicating that, but this person can feel. Yeah, this person can feel your disappointment. And they're pretty sad about it. Yeah, they're sad that they are not able to, I don't know, like satisfy your desire, yeah, in this partnership. And I feel that this person wants to ask for forgiveness and wants to perhaps apologize. Yeah, if only, the way I see it here is that it's all on emotional level. Yeah, you just show this person how you feel, and they can feel it. Yeah, but at the same time, I think the lack of communication is deterring this connection right now. Yeah, but in this person's ideally, this person, right, they are more focused on giving you a good life. It's more like that. It's more like they're focusing on work, or if they're unemployed, this is someone who wants to rebuild themselves in order so that they can provide. Yeah, and because I feel that for this person, if they're able to provide to you, it's their way of showing how much they love you, how much they care about this relationship. Yeah, and I do see that they will try to rekindle, yeah, the emotional aspect of the relationship. That's what I feel. On your side, though, you may feel like it may be just for a show in a moment, so you want this person to continue to prove that whatever actions they do in the later part will stick. Yeah, that's what I feel. But nevertheless, if this is a situation, if you fall into that second scenario where it's just the two of you and you're just frustrated because of some aspects in the relationship that are not really satisfying or emotionally satisfying for you, I do see things turning around. Yeah, I do see that happening. You will get your here there is still that likelihood that you will both be happy. Yeah, but it is through the efforts of someone, and I feel that that is your person, to bring back fun, to bring back that emotional connection. And I feel it starts with apologizing. But before they can apologize, yeah, they need to know, yeah, what you are disappointed about. So it's more like communicating it rather than just letting them feel how you feel, right? That's one aspect. Yeah, you show them how you feel through your actions, through, yeah. But then if it has something to do with betrayal or ending or just disappointment that is depressing you, it's good to talk about it, because this person has actually good intentions. It's just that possibly the way you express, the way you give and take, it doesn't really match. Yeah, so this person's way of showing you how much they love you is to give you that stability. Yeah, a good house, a good amount of money in the bank. Perhaps for you it's more like, let's walk in the park, spend some time with you and all that. So the expression may not be aligned, but the desire and the love and the feelings, it's there. You just have to sync it up. I'm gonna leave it at that, and let me know if this resonates in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.